Okay, guys, welcome back. When it comes to summer, good skincare isn't just a luxury, it is a must. So today we're diving into the world of summer skincare with a little twist, right? So we're mixing up our own custom body mist. Fresh, fragrant, and perfect for cooling you down.
All right.
Yeah. So fun facts about body mist, right? Body mist, they offer several benefits really during summertime, primarily due to their lightweight and refreshing qualities. They provide a subtle fragrance, hydrate the skin, and can offer a cooling effect, they say. Tal?
Yeah, their light formulation makes them ideal for layering with other products and for on-the-go application, helping to stay fresh throughout the day. So we're gonna make our own little nice body mist concoction to help us stay fresh and sweet and cool during the day. So let's go.
All right, I think one is yours.
Which one are you going to make, Debs?
I'm definitely gonna go with the lavender.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so we have cucumber aloe mist, soothing rose mist, or the peppermint mist. I think I'm going to actually, all right, so let's give them the ingredients for the cucumber aloe mist, right? So we can add a few slices of cucumber, a third cup of distilled water, aloe vera juice, which is optional.
Distilled water.
A teaspoon of witch hazel is also optional. And all we have to do is to cut half a cucumber into small pieces and then just mix it up, right?
Okay.
Then you have the soothing rose mist. That's the one that you actually want to make, Debs.
No, the lavender I want to make.
Right, no, but that is the one because it's a quarter cup of organic rose water, 3 drops of lavender oil, 1 teaspoon of witch hazel with rose extract, and you're gonna make that one. And then I am going to make the peppermint mist, and we're gonna use peppermint essential oil, menthol essential oil or menthol crystals, aloe vera juice, and then we're gonna walk you through the steps. All right, so let's
go.
go.
The steps.
All right, so first, which one are you doing? Yours, Debs? All you have to do is just pour all of your ingredients into the bucket and mix it up.
So walk me through again. All right,
so
it's a quarter cup. How much lavender?
All right, so it's 3 drops of lavender oil. But since you love lavender so much, I think you should just.
Oh, darling, I'm going with the spirit. I'm going with the spirit until the spirit says.
Yeah, man. That look
so I think that's supposed to be good.
That look like about 5 drop, Debbie.
Boy, spirit has said dropping us. I'm just a drop.
All right, so we have a quarter cup organic rose water.
I don't know if I like the rose water, but I'll work with it. All right. Okay.
Careful.
Clean up on all 3. All right. A little
and
bit
then
of that.
1 teaspoon of witch hazel with rose extract.
Witch hazel. I don't see no witch hazel though.
Well, I think we can just add water.
So we're just gonna just add a little water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just add water.
And call it a day. Does it say anything at all about cucumbers or the?
No, but I mean, if you want to add a little razzle,
I feel like we want experiment so far still.
Why not?
All right.
And then you shake, and you go
the spirit, you know. Did I do that correctly? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, that's for that. Can I have a little napkin, please?
Okay, and mine is...
Shake, Sinora, shake your body, right?
Peppermint mist. So I'm going to add the peppermint...
Yeah, that's peppermint.
Peppermint essential oil.
Yeah. What is it adding?
It never say how much, so we just go through some, right? You can't have too much peppermint.
Woo.
All right. Ooh, this is nice.
It's not bad,
right?
Tal. Smell it.
No.
Give it a whiff.
Oh, that's
actually
nice.
pretty.
Nice, yeah.
Pretty decent.
I think the rose water add a little like oomph to it. And it's not too much.
It's balancing, that's for sure. Yeah.
All right, so I added some peppermint essential oil. Then I'm gonna add some menthol crystals. Gonna add a few.
Ooh, that's not bad at all. This is actually pretty nice.
Well, make sure so when I spray this, you know, any congestion that I have, it just
everything clear up right away.
Right, all right.
What mucus?
And then aloe vera juice, which I'm gonna just...
That's not aloe vera though. That's, I think, okay, well, you know what? It's aloe vera.
Hold on.
It's aloe vera.
I think
it's aloe vera.
I think this would add a nice twist to it. All right, and then I'm gonna add some water as well. Gonna add some water. Yeah. It's a little water.
Mm-hmm. Little bit of water. Don't want to dilute it too much.
No, I want to add some more peppermint because I don't smell it.
It's a kicking? Okay.
No, I don't feel like it's kicking enough.
Need to kick, man.
Yeah, all right. So and then it says
the water and everything.
Add the essential oils to the spray bottle and stir. Add water or aloe vera juice and shake well. And for great cooling effect, keep refrigerated when not using.
Oh, really?
And the body mist can be stored for up to 2 weeks, guys. Okay, so let's try this now. Shake, 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 shake. All right, let's. This is lovely.
Yeah?
It's actually lovely.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
It's giving
It's nice.
It's giving.
It smells like.
It's giving grandmother. Like, it does smell like something your grandmother would have in her handbag. Yeah, man, like something she have in her handbag in the corner just in case you get congested at church.
Yeah,
and
man.
she say, come here, come.
Yeah, like a spray.
Come rub this fire, rub this in here, so.
Or if like mosquito bite you, come on.
Exactly.
It's giving that alcohol beer rum scent, but it's actually a little bit more refreshing than that.
No, it's nice, good. It's good. It's not bad at all.
Yeah, I feel like we did a good job today, guys.
Good. We could actually sell this.
Yeah, and then let's just do the cucumber one quickly. Cut the half of cucumber. So let's add some cucumber to this one since this is water.
Yeah.
Cut half a cucumber into, so a few slices.
A little bit less than that, yeah.
Yeah, that's a few slices. So.
There you go.
All right, let's try it.
Then how that going to come through the small spritzing?
I think it's just to give it a little vibe. So it's a few slices of cucumber, a 1/3 cup of distilled water, aloe vera juice. We use that up already. And witch hazel.
Witch hazel. We don't have witch hazel.
We don't have the witch hazel.
Let's just supplement with some
rose water.
Rose water. I don't think it's pungent enough, but we'll just figure it out.
You know, you should add some lavender to it too.
No, can I tell you though?
Or no, add some of the cucumber juice to it.
I think the mint and cucumbers work well together.
All right, fine.
So let's see.
And let's add some of the cucumber juice to it. Yeah. Give it a nice little color.
All right.
What
is that what deep, you know?
Some things are going in here, though.
The action are going. Yeah, I hope nothing.
Let's add the cucumber juice.
Guys, we're not scientists. So if anything starts, bubbling over, just run. Okay, guys?
All right. Hold on. Let me.
All right.
Do it and shake, shake, shake. Hope no explode.
Just run. If you see camera team, if you see anything at all moving, like a fizzy, just run out for us, please.
It's nice. It's refreshing. It smells like peppermint.
Yeah. It's nice.
But it smells like cool peppermint. Cucumber cool. You get it?
It's nice.
Anyways, guys, I hope you learned something and I hope you try making some of these, body mists yourself to keep yourself cool this summer. But don't go anywhere. More on Weekend Smile after the break.